This is John Marsh with the William T. Spader Company out of Erie, Pennsylvania, and this is the last video in the series. All we're going to do this time is we're just going to load the points that we've generated into our Trimble. I'm using a Kanai tablet. I like the Kanai tablet. It's probably my favorite interface. I've used a Field Link, I've used a Nomad, and this one's nice and has a lot of extra tools. You can also run Bluebeam right on this, so you can do the actual point translation right on this tablet if you wanted to. I try to keep my tablets clean. So all we're going to do at first is we're going to open up the Field Link. Once the Field Link is opened, we're going to go to More, we're going to go to Jobs, we're going to go to Manage, and we're going to create a new job. So hit Create. Job name is going to be Job Name, and hit Create. Boom, we're open. We're going to hit More, we're going to hit Jobs, we're going to hit Import, and we're going to go to our thumb drive. On our thumb drive, we're going to import our background first. So there you go. You need to have a scale. So this is the scale that your background was in. It's going to go ahead and translate that PDF. If you don't have a tablet that translates to PDF in the program, you can have that done online. Just go to website. You can upload your PDF and download a DXF of the same file. If you do that, you're going to have to scale up, okay? You're going to have to scale up by 8 or by 4, depending on the scale. The same way you scaled up with our points, basically. You're moving from architectural units to engineering units. The last thing I'd say is on control. Sometimes when you're laying out in the field, because we're using a PDF, the accuracy of the control is not quite what it would be on a DWG file, and it can occasionally say the machine can say you have bad control, or the control is just good and not excellent. At that point, go ahead and look at what the tolerance is. This is made for sort of laying out pads, laying out pumps, hangers, things that don't have super high tolerances. If that's what you're laying out, this is a great thing. If you're laying out things that need to be the 1/16 of an inch, you should probably go ahead and load that off a CAD file where sort of the granularity of the points that you're generating is higher. All right, it imported the PDF. We're going to import the CVS file now. And I don't need to change anything here. I'm just going to hit Import. 15 points are imported. That's it. We're going to go to More. We're going to go to Map. We're going to look at our points. All right. So right here by pad, you can see pad. This was the tool point, and this little point here is our actual layout point. We have all of the points we've generated. There's our drains, hangers, everything that you need. So you're just ready to lay out. Last thing I would say is you can create points right from here. I think that is a great workflow, and certainly the guy in the field can create those. The purpose of this tutorial was to go ahead and give you a way to create points in Bluebeam, get them out here so anyone who's used to Bluebeam can generate those points long before you have them loaded into your Kanai or your Field Link or your Nomad. Well guys, I hope you like the videos. If you do, comment in the comments bar. If you have any additional questions, I'm going to try to put up some additional videos as I have time.